This is the breakthrough chapter. You are already on lesson 6, and so it's just the chance for us to just memorize and get stuck in our head how we use those two dividing strategies. You know, two or more consonants in between two vowels, you divide it after the first consonant. First vowel is always short, where if there's only one consonant in between two vowels, then that first vowel, it could be long or it could be short. You better try it both ways, and you divide it before or after that consonant again. And so here's a chance for us to totally put it all together. So we're on lesson 6 out of about 11, so we're like halfway there, and the words are just going to get harder, so make sure you use those strategies on these lessons before it gets really hard. Okay, awesome, you're doing terrific. Let's take a look at these 3 words. And so by now, you certainly know that if you want to use these strategies, you look to see where the vowels are. So obviously it's an A, that's a vowel, N, of course, is a consonant, and I is a vowel. What do we know about that pattern? Yeah, it could be long, could be short, could divide it before or after the consonant. Could be van or ve. And then what do we have next? Well, we have the vowel, and then we have a consonant. L is a consonant, and A is a vowel. So what do we know about that? Yep, A is short, divided after the first consonant. So we know this for sure is nil. And then this we can try both ways. Could be long, could be short, could be vanilla or vanilla. And it sounds like your favorite ice cream with fudge on, vanilla. So notice the A didn't totally have that perfect short A sound. Vanilla wasn't vanilla, but it's close enough. And these strategies get you close enough to know what the word is. So let's take a peek at the next one. We go to where the vowels are. That's an E, so that's a vowel. C is a consonant. E is a vowel. And so we know this E, it could be long, could be short. We also know that RE is just a common prefix, and usually it has a re sound, so we're going to go with re and divide it there. Then we go to the next, and we see E, and S is a consonant, S is a consonant, and V is a vowel. And so we know we're going to divide it after that. We also know that E is going to be short no matter what. And we look at that C. Is that going to have a K or an S sound? Well, there's an E after it. And if C has an E, or an I, or a Y after it, has an S sound. So we know it's ses, recess, and S-I-O-N is always shun, recession. That's what the word is. Then we go on to the last one. And even though we're marking these on the paper, the goal is that we just start to do this in our head automatically. It starts out with a vowel. So we're going to put a vowel there. N is a consonant, T is a consonant, E is a vowel. What do we know about that? Yep, no matter what, the E is short. We're going to divide it after that first consonant, the N. So we got N so far, and now we have vowel, and then G is a consonant, R is a consonant, A is a vowel. So we're going to divide it after that first consonant, that E, no matter what, is short. And then, look, we have vowel, consonant, silent E at the end. And we know that A is most likely going to be long, say its own name. So rate, integrate. Cool. This is how fast and easy it is. This is how you are going to read every word and not toss all those letters in the air like a tossed salad and create your own word. So you're going to put those letters and those syllables like in order. Awesome. Amazing. Totally cool. And don't forget the next step, which is to go to your Google form, and you are going to explain words as far as what is the strategy, where are you going to divide it, what sound might those vowels have. And so you just explain those words. And so explain a lot. Don't be scant on those. Tell a lot as to what you know those vowel sounds will have, where you'll divide the words. And so that Google form is an important part of this process. So we certainly know by now that it all revolves around these two dividing strategies. So if you're ever stuck, look up there. But just remember, two or more consonants between two vowels makes that first vowel almost always short vowel sound. And divide it after that first consonant, the best dividing strategy there is. And then, of course, we have where there's only one consonant, a little more of a cranky strategy in that first vowel, it could be long, it could be short, and so you just got to get used to putting both of those in, but you divide it, and that's what helps you on those long words, is to divide the word into syllables. So you don't just guess silly sounds, but you put those letters in order. So and once again, vowel plus R is mixed in here. You know that has an OR sound. OR has an OR sound. You know G is going to have a J sound because there's an I after it. G has two sounds, G and J. Has a J sound when there is E, I, or Y after it. So notice vowel, consonant, vowel. That means you divide it. So origin, preserve, implore, vintage, torso, announce, attitude. And so you just got to make sure you say each syllable in order, and that's where you do those dividing strategies in your head. Difficult, destiny, negative. So if you look at all of these 6 pages in lesson number 6, there they are. See, they start to get longer. And so you may take 2, 3, 4 days to practice these and get good at putting those strategies in order. And so there's all the words that you will be reading in this chapter, in this lesson. So spend at least 10 minutes each day reading those words, read them to someone at home, time them, see how many you can do in 15 seconds, and then obviously always your final step is to read them to your teacher and explain the strategies, explain your thinking, and you are all set to go. Good luck.